question is, why is it independence of government so important?
Now, the PAP government has been in power for more than 50 years. They have a certain way of approaching matters. It's very hard sometimes when you are stuck in a certain mode of thinking to make a change. So it's called groupthink. If you continue to attract people who think the same way, then there will be no change. And the problem continue to be difficult and it gets worse. So in order to make the necessary change, you have to look at matters from a different perspective, quite independently. Now, it doesn't mean to oppose what has been done before, but to look at a different perspective and then to be open-minded, to try a different approach. Now, the real test must be what works better, not who recommended it. So if we are open to more choices, more views, different approach, the chance of finding solutions, getting things better will be higher. So it's quite important, therefore, that the thinking should be independent. We should not continue to have the same group of people thinking the same way to solve problems when the problems themselves have changed quite differently from what it was in the past. So independence of the PAP thinking will add value to the whole process of finding better solutions.